Okay guys, welcome to the Trucker John Show. Today is Thursday, May 30th, 2019. We just got empty here in Henrietta. Now let's get this thing, get these tandem slid and doors closed up and we'll be on our way. Alright guys, thought maybe you'd like a little behind the scenes look at how I upload my videos. It's real high tech. I do have an unlimited data plan on my phone, which I've had for years and years. That's the only reason I got it through Verizon, because they don't offer. It's unlimited 4G and there's no throttling on it. It's an old plan. I'm still paying a little bit more than some of the new plans, but I don't get throttled. So sometimes, some months I use like 150, 200 gigabytes of data, so that's quite a bit. But anyway, here's my high-tech studio. I'm uploading a video now. I got my laptop on the workstation here. I got it actually masking tape on it so it doesn't leave marks on it, and it's uploading. It's hooked to my phone, which my phone is up front, and what I usually do is I get done editing a video and rendering while I'm unloading. I usually start on it the night before, and then I finish it while I'm unloading and get it all rendered, and then I start the upload on my drive back down to Breinigsville. So that's how it usually works. That's how the best way, because then I can do all this and not wasting any time. But anyway, that's my high-tech upload studio here. Reason I'm put masking tape over it so it don't slide off the table. I used to put it on the bed back here, but it gets too hot sitting on all that cushioning and stuff. So that seems to work good, and actually the air conditioner from the back can blow right on it, keep it cool. Anyway, that's how we do that. Okay guys, let's hit the road. Alright guys, we are here at Breinigsville. Got to drop our empty trailer. And this trailer is another out of service trailer. We've had like 3 of them in the last week that we've had to put out of service. See, the other 2 are still out of service. We're going to be getting low on empty trailers if they keep this up. So I'll put this right in here, and then we'll get some of my red tape. Okay, so There's my out of service sign, and then I put the red tape here, kind of holding it on that thing, but it's also covering the hole. So they can't really, they have to take all that off to use the trailer, which they could do easily. Yeah, just let me get the landing gear down. Man, is it muggy. It's like Miami out here. Okay, let's head on down to the office and see what they got for us. I know it's ready. He told me it's ready already. I think it was ready this afternoon. We are cruising the lot here. There's our trailer right here, and again, I can see the trailer is way too high. Okay, guys, I could see right in the mirror that this trailer is really high. So let's go take a look and see how high it really is. We'll put our little light on the camera here. Got a little LED light we'll put on there. Yeah, this is getting ridiculous, don't you think? Look how high that is. Are you kidding me? Holy mackerel. Luckily the handle is not jammed up in there. Crazy. Okay, guys, let's see if we can get this thing cranked down. It's on a hill. There's gonna be a lot of pressure on the landing gear. Yep. Put it in low gear. Unreal. I'm not sure which way to go here. Feels bad both ways. You put the landing gear in low range, it makes it easier to crank, but it doesn't move very far. Or it doesn't go down very far. No, it's just getting ready to move again. Wow. Oh, let's get there in high range. There we go. There she goes. Wow. Woo. Alrighty, guys. Let's see, we'll leave this unlocked for now because I'm going to stop for fuel. Keep my gloves in the side pocket here of the door. That way I can just grab them when I get out if I got to use them for something instead of putting them in the side box. And I am getting damp. It is, I don't know what the humidity is, but it's pretty high. All right, we're gonna get this paperwork done and we'll talk to you later. Alrighty, guys. I see there's nobody in that little parking spot I use sometimes over there by the scale. Not really supposed to park there, but I'll park in there to run in and take a shower. I think that's what we're going to do tonight. So, okay, let's get out and get some fuel. The cap don't seem to go on. There we go. All right. Like that. All right, let's get a place to park over here and go take a quick shower and get on up to Oneonta. Okay, always do that little tug test on my trailer in case somebody get mad that I parked where I did for my shower. Come over and pull my fifth wheel release, which I do have a manual release too. I have the one on the dash, which is an air release, and then I got a manual release just like any other truck. Well, I filled up at the TA here in Binghamton, and this will be the last fill up of the month. And I made it to the 4th tier of the rewards program. So now I get 3 cents a gallon credit, or 3 points a gallon, which are worth a penny. You can get stuff in the store or use it for whatever at the TA. And you get Ultra 1 credits, which you use for showers. And when you hit the 4th level, which they call Gear 4, so you got, you know, Gear 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. When you get to Gear 4, which I made for next month, you can use your Ultra 1 credits for, if you're at a TA where you need to get a parking spot, you can use a credit for that. You know, reserve parking, which is usually, depending on when you buy it, I guess, I'm not really too sure, but I think they're anywhere between $14 and $16 for a parking spot. So you can use it for that, or you can get a meal up to $15, I believe. Anyway, we will check in with you at the end of the day here, which ain't long. Okay, guys, we are all done for the day. We are parked here at the Walmart in Oneonta, and just down the street from my delivery. So tomorrow we'll just make that delivery real quick in the morning. Well, not real early because we got a 11 to 1 window to deliver it in, but we'll get over there, get it delivered, and then we're gonna go right on home. And then leave Sunday evening for Breinigsville, pick up and go out to Painted Post. So anyway, thanks for joining me here today on the Trucker John Show. I appreciate it. Give me that thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you like the content. Okay, guys, we will see you tomorrow.